Coach PJ here. Are you a self-proclaimed control freak? Do you find it easier to do it yourself rather than delegate a task? I'm going to share with you 3 tips today that will transform your business and help you loosen that control while maintaining the outcome you want. First, let's talk business process management, or BPM for short. Business process management is the discipline in which people use various methods to discover, model, analyze, measure, improve, and automate business processes. There are 3 main business process improvement activities that every business should have in place. The first is planning and budgeting. The second is assigning and executing. And the third is testing and measuring. Let's talk about planning and budgeting first. When businesses carry out new ideas and strategies without planning and budgeting, they often fail. Budgeting is the process of understanding the overall cost of a project before you get started. The cost to carry it through to completion, to produce it, to execute it. Calculating the expected return on investment, the cash flow, and project, whether or not you can actually afford those overall costs. Then there's planning. You'll want to consider the timeline to implement. How long is it actually going to take? And do you have enough resources and runway to make it successful? Second is the assigning and executing. This is the second part of business process management, and it may be easy to fall into the mindset of needing to do everything yourself as the business owner. But that's a trap because you simply don't have the time. There are 2 problems with this line of thinking. One is you will get sucked into even the smallest of details. And second is you'll burn out if you try to do everything yourself. Instead, delegate or assign the task and use your time to manage the team through regular sit-downs and empowering them to lead and manage those tasks for you. And then follow up to make sure they're hitting the milestones that you have set out for the project. The third part of business process management is called testing and measuring. The processes that are running your business will naturally shift over time, and there are other times when the market has shifted, but the processes have not. Regardless, the process that was created when you first started your business may no longer be relevant or optimal for your business today. But because no one's gone back and evaluated them and tested and measured them, there tends to be a great opportunity to optimize those to make them better, make them more efficient and more effective for your current organization. Take a look at your business processes and identify the processes that you can better manage and transform your business. If this is something you're interested in learning more about, I have a number of ways to do that. We can jump on a quick call, we can get together for a coffee meeting, or if you know that this is absolutely what you need and you want to get started right away, I offer a 2-hour complimentary coaching session where we'll dig deep into your business, identify the opportunities, and put a plan in place to go forward. If you got value from this video, like, subscribe, comment below. Leading real people to achieve real results. Your business profit. Until next time.